Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Today we are going to unbox the LookFantastic July beauty box. They are an UK beauty subscription, but they do ship worldwide. I am happy to see now many of my US friends, they are loving and unboxing this box. When I started my channel 4 years ago, I actually started with this box, but just it was for the month of August, so yeah, 1 month later. And I'm not planning to get subscribed to LookFantastic. I've seen a sneak peek that has really appealed to me, so from this reason I wanted to purchase the LookFantastic beauty box. So I actually paid £11, even though it is £15 if you just get by month by month. If you get for 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, the price per month decrease. And this is one of the few subscriptions that they still keep the original price. When I started the subscription and I was subscribed to LookFantastic, they were charging £15. I don't know how they managed. They also do free shipping. I think it's all over the world. They still have 6 products. Most of them are travel size and deluxe, but any time and again you get full size. I love the box. It's actually yellow. It's like lemon yellow, but it's not exactly like, it's like a mango. Yeah, this is the correct yellow we are talking about. And I just opened it and looked inside to see if my sneak peek is there. I was actually not planning to do this unboxing. I was thinking that I'm going to add it to my cumulative haul that I'm going to have in the end of this month. But I had another video planned for today, and it was a speed review. And I was thinking, I've done a lot of reviews on this channel. Let's do some diversion. Let's bring an unboxing because yeah, sunshine is the most precious gold on earth. This is the monthly code. We do get a leaflet. I remember last time when I did, I think it is over 1 year since I've stopped getting the LookFantastic beauty box. They were not having this box. There was the COVID and so on, and they didn't provide the box, the leaflet, so they are going to tell you about the products inside. And as I mentioned earlier, you get 6 products. Let's start with the sneak peek. So guys, when I've seen they are going to bring this powder, I said I need to get the box because this pays for the box and even more. So this is the Drier Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, and actually you can purchase this one, and I have even a smaller size in a smaller jar, and that is even more difficult to get. I'm not going to open, maybe it's sealed, I don't know. But yeah, this is the first setting powder that I've started to use on my under eye area, and I felt that it was working for me. I've gone through a few small sizes. I didn't have the big one because for my face is not enough. I find that it doesn't control my oils, but it's perfect for my under eye area, and it's a perfect, if not better, alternative for the Becca, the brightening under eye setting powder that you all know. We all know that Becca is no longer out there. So if you are on the market for a powder, if you enjoyed the Becca one and you don't find your favorite powder for setting your under eye area, I highly recommend you this one from Drier. I think it's the same product. Smoothen the look of your skin with Drier Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, a translucent setting powder that can be used to lock foundation in place or on makeup-free skin for a flawless looking matte complexion. So yeah, this is our first product, and I will look up for the prices, but I think this is around 15-20 bucks, not bucks, pounds. We are speaking in pounds because this is a UK box. The second product is by Minatan, and it's a After Sun Gel, 50 milliliters. So this is very, very handy for me. As you know, I'm leaving for vacation in 2 weeks. As of now, I will be on the beach in Greece, so this is handy. Minatan Rapid Recovery contains a blend of skin-loving aloe vera and niacinamide for faster, more effective relief from sunburn, with long-lasting skincare benefits. Next we have the, what is this? By Foamy Papaya Body Bar. Keep skin out so smooth with Foamy Shower Body Bar with papaya and oat milk. The 2-in-1 body bar stimulates your skin with a massaging effect whilst hydrating. How to use? Place the bar under running water and rub between your palms to create a lather. Oh my god! So this is a soap, and here is written Foamy, and smells delicious. That's the purpose. You can hang it somewhere in your bathroom, and that's good because it's air drying after you finish using it. So I think it's a great idea to have it loose, not to stick on some surface and to melt. The next product, and the heaviest from the box, is a scalp scrub by the brand Umberto Giannini. I think I have had something from this brand a while ago. This is probably a full-size product because it has 200 milliliters, and probably also the soap. So this is a vegan formula, battles excess oil, dryness and breakage. Pineapple enzymes have a lot of benefits, striving to boost shine, support softness and alleviate irritation, whilst walnut shell micrograins gently slow away dead skin at the scalp. You know that I have a flaky scalp. Use on wet hair once a week as a pre-shampoo treatment. Massage gently into the scalp, focusing on areas of build-up and dryness for 5-10 minutes. Then rinse. Follow with a scalp restore shampoo and conditioner. That's interesting. Already is not sealed and smells delicious, and the beads don't look to be too big, so I'm very curious about this. You might hear me talking about this maybe in a month or so when I'm going to have some reviews, but for sure I'm going to use it because it's everything I need for my scalp is to get rid of flakiness, and I'm all the time on the market for a new scalp restoring scrub or so. We have 2 more products. Oh, and one of them, I don't see it in my box. So we have a Mio Future Proof Body Butter, which is a natural body butter with overflowing with omega-rich actives and andiroba oil to help protect from dryness, giving your skin an instantly stronger and healthier looking radiance. Okay, so this I'm going to pack it with me on vacation. I already did my skincare bag, but I think I haven't had too many small sizes to add because I was not having any subscription from LookFantastic or small size products, so I only have 1 or 2 to add. So this it will be helpful because I need a lot of hydration during vacation. And the last product, and it's written here that the 6th or 7th product. So someone could get this one. I would prefer to get the Cetaphil. What is this? The Gentle Skin Cleanser, because I don't have anything from this brand. However, I got the Beauty Pro Clay Sheet Mask. Oh, I never had a clay sheet mask. I don't remember. So this is an effective 2-part clay mask sheet provided by calamine, formulated to cleanse and tighten pores, lift your complexion and improve the skin tone, elasticity and clarity. Suitable for all skin types, the mask wraps around the natural contours of the face and comes into separate pieces to ensure that T-zone and U zones are fully covered. You should leave it between 40 and 60 minutes until the mask has hardened. So this is new because usually you keep your mask for maximum 30 minutes, I would say. So that's new. Alright, and this is everything, but I want to see what is the sneak peek. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm going to keep the box because I'm going to be on vacation, but this is the Medicate Hydra B Intense Original Hyaluronic Acid Serum. That's worth 15 pounds. So probably it's a deluxe. Doesn't say how much you get. You get a picture of the full bottle, but I'm going to look up on the website and see if 15 pounds you can buy and how much quantity you get for that money. So I think this was one of the best LookFantastic boxes since I'm not getting it, because I was following month by month, hoping to get a box that I can buy, because it's more easy for me. I see a box that I like it, buy it, than to get a subscription and overload with products each month. Let's recap what we got in the LookFantastic beauty box for the month of July. We have a sheet mask, a clay sheet mask by Beauty Pro, a solid soap, a body cream, an after sun soothing gel, a probably full-size hair scalp that I'm very excited about. And the product that has made me purchase this box is the Bitery Hyaluronic Hydra Powder 4 grams. The only downside for this powder, guys, is that it says here to use it within 6 months after you open it. So it has a short lifetime, but it only has 2 ingredients, so it is quite natural. This wraps up our LookFantastic box for the month of July. Let me know what was the favorite product of today's video. I hope you'll have a fantastic weekend, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Smile!